Are you looking for the top 5 best running shoes? Real reviews from a real buyer. Hey everyone! I recently bought and tested a bunch of running shoes so you don't waste your hard-earned money. I'm here to share my honest experience with these top 5 picks. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a jog or just need something comfortable to walk around in, I got you covered. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. Brooks Men's Adrenaline GTS 24. When I first slipped on the Brooks Men's Adrenaline GTS 24, I felt like I was stepping into a cloud. Seriously, the nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning is a game changer. I took them out for a run that first day, not expecting much, but I was blown away. The support they provide is incredible. It feels like they hug my foot just right. The guide rail's holistic support system is what really sets them apart. I have a tendency to overpronate, and these shoes kept my foot in a natural motion path, which is exactly what I need. The engineered air mesh upper is super breathable, and even on a hot day, my feet felt cool and comfortable. I remember one run where I pushed through a tough mile, and the smooth transitions from the newly designed outsole made such a difference. It felt so effortless. I could focus on my breathing rather than my shoes. Now, let's break it down with some pros and cons. The pros? First off, the comfort level is off the charts. The cushioning adapts to my stride, and I love how lightweight they feel despite all that support. Plus, they're certified as a diabetic shoe, which is a great bonus for anyone who needs that extra assurance. On the flip side, the price might be a bit steep for some at $141.31, but I believe you get what you pay for in terms of quality and durability. So why buy these shoes? If you're serious about running and need something that offers both comfort and support, the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 24 is a worthy investment. They've got the technology to back them up, and after trying them out, I can confidently say they'll enhance your running experience.
Product number 2. Brooks Women's Revel 8. Now let's talk about the Brooks Women's Revel 8. When I first saw them, I was drawn to the stylish design. But looks aren't everything, right? I was eager to test them out. The moment I put them on, I felt the adaptable DNA Loft V2 cushioning cradling my feet. It's designed to adjust according to your stride, which is fantastic because my running style can vary. I decided to wear them for a casual run and a workout session. They passed both tests with flying colors. The breathable mesh upper kept my feet cool, and I loved that I could transition from running to walking without missing a beat. The Road Talk outsole is another highlight. It's lightweight yet durable, providing excellent traction. I remember running on a slightly slippery path, and these shoes held their ground effortlessly. Now for the pros and cons. The pros? The cushioning is exceptional, and the shoes are versatile enough for both workouts and casual outings. Plus, they have the APMA seal of acceptance, which adds an extra layer of credibility. On the downside, while they're reasonably priced at $128.45, some might find them lacking in extreme cushioning compared to more dedicated running shoes. So why should you buy the Revel 8? If you're looking for a shoe that combines style and function without compromising comfort, this is it. They're perfect for those who want to look good while also getting their workout in.
Product number 3. Brooks Men's Trace 4. Next up is the Brooks Men's Trace 4. I was intrigued by its promise of maximum comfort. Let me tell you, they did not disappoint. Right out of the box, I could feel the DNA Loft V2 cushioning working its magic. I took them for a long run on a mix of trails and pavement, and the soft cushioning made a world of difference. The segmented crash pad really helped with smooth transitions, and I noticed less impact on my knees, which is always a concern for me. The breathable upper is another win. I typically worry about sweaty feet, especially on longer runs, but these shoes kept me feeling fresh. The Road Talk rubber outsole is designed for durability, and I could tell it was built to last. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. The pros include excellent cushioning and support, and the shoes are incredibly versatile. Whether you're running or just walking around, they perform well. On the downside, they're priced at $128.45, which may be a stretch for some budgets, but the quality justifies the cost. So, why buy the Trace 4?
If you want a lightweight shoe that provides comfort and support for various activities, this is an excellent choice. It's reliable for everyday wear and perfect for runners looking to log those miles in comfort. Product number 4, YRL TYO slip-on sneakers. Now let's switch gears and talk about the YRL TYO slip-on sneakers. At a price of just $25.69, I was skeptical but curious to see how they would perform. I wore them on a casual walk to the park and I was pleasantly surprised. The breathable upper made of mesh material kept my feet feeling airy and light. I love how easy they are to slip on. No fussing with laces is a big plus for me. The shock absorption feature was noticeable as I could feel the cushioning working to reduce impact. The non-slip sole was also impressive. I walked on various surfaces and these shoes held up well, providing good grip and stability. Now for the pros and cons. The pros, they're super affordable, lightweight, and comfortable for casual wear. The cons, they might not be the best for serious runners looking for high-performance gear. The materials felt a bit less durable compared to pricier options. Why buy these shoes? If you're in the market for a budget-friendly option for light walks or casual outings, the YRL TYO slip-on sneakers are a solid choice. They offer comfort and convenience without breaking the bank. Product number 5, Nortive 8 women's walking shoes. Lastly, let's look at the Nortive 8 women's walking shoes. With a price tag of $69.39, I was eager to see how they stacked up. From the moment I put them on, I could feel the plush, high-rebound EVA midsole. It was like walking on marshmallows. I took them out for a longer walk, and the shock absorption feature left my knees feeling great, which is always a concern for me. The traction and durability were also apparent as I walked on different terrains. The breathable woven mesh upper was another highlight. It felt soft against my skin and kept my feet cool. The secure fit provided by the resilient nylon made a noticeable difference. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros include excellent comfort, great shock absorption, and they're versatile enough for various activities. The cons, they might not be as stylish as some higher-end models, and a few users might find them lacking in extreme support for intense workouts. So, why buy the Nortive 8? If you need a reliable shoe for walking or casual activities without spending a fortune, these are a fantastic option. They deliver comfort and performance, making them a great addition to your shoe collection. After testing these 5 running shoes, I can confidently say that there's something for everyone here. Whether you're a dedicated runner or just need something comfortable for everyday wear, these options won't let you down. Each has its unique strengths, so think about what matters most to you in a shoe. Happy running and thanks for watching.